Multifunctionality. It can be used as a fryer and a milk pot. The frying basket is unbreakable even under a person's weight. When the 5-layer steel body is integrally formed, so you don't have to worry about the bottom falling off. The entire pot is thickened, and it won't deform at high temperatures, making it a pot that can be handed down for generations. The frying basket is made by stretching a whole steel plate, and all the holes in the middle are laser cut, which ensures high hardness. It can withstand the weight of a 180-pound person stepping on it, whether horizontally or vertically. 2. It adopts MarsenRotn's exclusive vicook constant temperature and micropressure technology. The middle layer uses aviation-grade high-conductivity aluminum, ensuring that the entire pot maintains a uniform temperature, making the fried food crispy and delicious. 3. It uses imported 1810s pure refined steel with a steel purity of 99.9%, ensuring no heavy metal exceeds the limit. The aluminum block has excellent thermal conductivity, effectively controlling the thermal expansion and contraction of the pot bottom, resulting in more uniform heating. High-temperature frying won't leach heavy metals, and it won't rust. It's made of antibacterial stainless steel. For multifunctionality, it can be used as a milk pot, for boiling noodles, making porridge, blanching vegetables, cooking baby food, and also as a deep fryer. The high cylinder and small diameter design saves oil. 5. Exported to Europe. As an Italian brand exported to Europe, it guarantees EU food safety standards. 6. Compatible with various cooktops. It can be used on gas stoves, induction cooktops, electric ceramic cooktops, electric stoves, and other cooking appliances. It's heat-resistant and can be directly placed in an oven. 7. Main materials. 5-layer steel, including an inner layer of imported 1810s refined steel, a steel core made of aviation-grade high-conductivity aluminum, and an outer layer of 18 zeroths magnetically conductive steel.